Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Spring Park is a well-established residential neighborhood in central Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island. Located just west of the city's historic downtown, it is known for its tree-lined streets, mature homes, schools, and parks. Its central location makes it one of the most convenient neighborhoods in the city, with shopping, healthcare, recreation, and government services all within a short distance. The area has a quiet residential feel while still being close to the heart of the provincial capital. Spring Park is home to several thousand residents, although exact numbers vary depending on how neighborhood boundaries are defined. The neighborhood attracts families, retirees, university staff, healthcare workers, and government employees. Because Charlottetown is relatively compact, commuting from Spring Park to most parts of the city takes only a few minutes. One of the neighborhood's best-known features is Spring Park itself, a popular community green space that includes sports fields, playgrounds, and walking areas. The nearby Confederation Trail provides a scenic route for walking and cycling through the city and beyond. Spring Park is also close to the University of Prince Edward Island, one of the province's most important educational institutions, and is only a short distance from Queen Elizabeth Hospital, the largest hospital on Prince Edward Island. The land that is now Spring Park has been part of Charlottetown's growth for well over a century. Before urban development, much of the area consisted of farmland and open countryside surrounding the original town. As Charlottetown expanded during the late 19th and 20th centuries, residential neighborhoods gradually replaced farmland. Long before European settlement, this area formed part of the traditional territory of the Mi'kmaq people, who lived throughout what is now Prince Edward Island for thousands of years. Detached homes commonly sell for between $500,000 and $700,000, with larger or fully renovated properties often selling for more. The neighborhood offers a mix of classic family homes, modern renovations, townhouses, and apartment buildings, creating housing options for a wide range of residents. Charlottetown is the capital of Prince Edward Island and the largest city in the province. The city has a population of roughly 40,000 people, while the surrounding metropolitan area is home to more than 90,000 residents. Although it is Canada's smallest provincial capital by population, Charlottetown serves as the political, economic, and cultural center of Prince Edward Island. Charlottetown is often called the birthplace of Confederation because it hosted the Charlottetown Conference in 1864. Leaders from several British North American colonies gathered here to discuss the possibility of creating a united country. Those meetings helped lay the foundation for Canadian Confederation, even though Prince Edward Island itself did not join Canada until 1873. Today, that history is celebrated throughout the city and attracts visitors from around the world. One of Charlottetown's most recognizable landmarks is Province House, where the Charlottetown Conference took place. The city is also home to Confederation Centre of the Arts, a major cultural venue that hosts concerts, theater productions, and art exhibitions throughout the year. Every summer, audiences come from across Canada to see Anne of Green Gables, the musical, which has been performed for decades and remains one of the country's longest-running stage productions. Charlottetown's downtown is compact and easy to explore. Historic buildings line the streets alongside restaurants, cafes, local shops, and galleries. Victoria Row is one of the city's most popular pedestrian streets during the warmer months, offering outdoor dining and live entertainment. Nearby, the Charlottetown waterfront features marinas, boardwalks, and parks where visitors can enjoy views of the harbor and passing boats. Charlottetown is an important educational center. The University of Prince Edward Island attracts students from across Canada and around the world. Holland College provides technical and career-focused education in many fields, helping supply skilled workers for businesses throughout the province. These institutions contribute to the city's youthful atmosphere and support research, innovation, and community events. Today, Charlottetown combines centuries of history with the conveniences of a modern provincial capital. Visitors will find historic streets, waterfront scenery, cultural attractions, and a welcoming community, all within a city that is easy to explore on foot or by car. Thanks for watching!